stop it, please. Please, stop it. Right. Hi, mamas. I'm gonna pour this milk fast because my baby's so clingy. I cannot put him down. And I'm with my daughter too. She loves to watch my pump and pour. Okay, let's pour this fast, baby. So this is my left side. Isa! Asa! So this is my left side. And here is my... And here is my right side. Isa! What are you doing? I think he's not in the mood because this is his enemy. Isa, stop it. Stop it, please. Please, stop it. Stop it. No. Please, Isa, no. Let's pour the right side first. So I got 5.5 ounces. Okay, you ready to drink, Isa? Ready to drink your milk?